Hello everyone, Valcolution here with a new video. Sorry, it's late. I forgot. No, it's not true. I didn't forget you guys with 2 weeks, but there was one bug I found while making an actual video, that there was a bug in the GameFuse that was not saving properly. The guys on GameFuse were really busy on it, so they helped me. I helped them with the error, and they fixed it. After that, it took a while for everything to get back up, and then we found some other issues with that, but it's all fixed now, and it will be showing in this video. So enjoy watching it, and yeah, feel free to leave anything behind, like a reply or, you know. So let's dive into it. So before we go any further, we need to be sure we have the latest version of GameFuse. You can go to installer plugins and then make sure you have the latest one if you don't have it yet. If you can see, it's the latest one. I don't have an exclamation mark here. So we go back into the project. If you're in the project and you just updated it from the last video I've shown you, then when you press play now, you get this error. So right now we're gonna fix those two errors, and wait, this is inventory item and the other one was purchasing item. Yes, we have the two errors here, and yeah, let's fix them. This is remove store item. This one is really simple. We can just unlock this one. So Alt and then click on the connection. Right click on the item and do split struct spin, and now we connect the item ID to the store ID like this. Compile and save. That's one. Then we go to the second error, that is the purchasing item. Here you see the item, we place it here, and we make a new one from the GameFuse. Purchase store item like this, and connect all the pins correctly. ID is store ID, and callback is this callback. So control and hold it and connect it to this one, and then you can delete this one. Compile and save, and right now when we press play, we don't have the error anymore. Everything is still running it the way it should. As you can see, everything is working. And I have to show you guys a really other quick fix. We have the floor base. Oh, wrong button. We have the floor base and we have the runner map. And I explained you guys in the beginning to add this part into the map. Well, sometimes that may show that you have something like this. You can see here we have two obstacles into each other. It's really logical explanation for that, because we put this floor tile here, but the game mode is also spawning one here. So this floor tile is only nice for the details, so we can copy the location and everything. And if you have them somewhere else, so if you have the floor tile wanted to be spawning somewhere else, put it somewhere else and then copy this everything here, the transform, then go to the content browser and then to the blueprints of the runner game mode. And then you have the, I have to say it correctly, add floor, and you have the floor attach point. Here you have the basically the same stuff as you have here. So if you put here like 20, is more forward, and then delete it, and here you put in 20, then it will be spawning exactly on this location. So we are not gonna do that for now, because I want it to be spawning on 0. But because we don't want two tiles to spawn on the beginning, we delete one. And as you can see now, the floor tile is gone. But when we press play, you see the floor tile is still spawning. So that's the fix we have already. And now over to the rest of it. Today we're gonna start on saving the coins. So making the coins collectible and saving them in GameFuse. To do that, first we close these two screens. We go to our content browser, to our 0 game folder, and then BP runner character, open it up. And then we go to the event graph, this one here, and on top here we're gonna make a custom event. some event, this one. We call it add credits to GameFuse like this. And then we're gonna get game mode. Since our credits are stored in the game mode. And then from the return value cast to runner game mode. Yes. And we want to have our credits. So we go here, it's still coins. We are gonna upload it to the credits of GameFuse. So credits and coins, I sometimes pronounce them to each other, but basically the same thing. So from runner game mode, we're gonna search for coins. Get coins, this one. And above it, here, we're gonna right click and we're gonna ask for GameFuse user. Get GameFuse user, this one. And then drop it down and search for add coins. Add credits it is. You know what I mean? Add credits. Okay, we connect those two. And from the coins, we're gonna do it to the Excel credits. So right now, when we activate this, it's gonna send all the coins we have on that moment in our game mode save to our credits. So then we have it saved. Yeah, we can also make a callback. We are gonna make a custom one for later on, so we can show response data if it's not working. Like this. Yeah, we can make it a shout. Print string. I think it's working like that. Response data to. Oh, not okay. Maybe like this. Print. No, it's not showing it. No matter what, it doesn't really matter. It's only for later on. Compile and save. That's part 1. So we have that. We're gonna comment it. Select everything. Press C. Oh. Now it's nice for us to know. So we have the credits part. Now it's saving the credits already to our profile on GameFuse. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but now for the high scores. So we're gonna right click again, another custom event. And we're gonna write down a save high score to game. Oh, GameFuse without an S, like this. And then we're gonna get the game mode again. So we're gonna copy and paste this one, copy and then paste like this. Connect it. And now we're gonna do something different. We need our current points. So we get current points, this one. But we are also getting this GameFuse thing again, copy. And we're gonna paste it here. This. And then from here we're gonna get score. This. Bit down. From this one we're gonna make greater than. And then connect the return value to the bottom one. So we only want this to happen when the current score that's on the blueprint yet is bigger than the one we have in the GameFuse. Then we go further. So from here we're gonna make a branch. Oh, not that one. Sorry. This one and connect it. So like I said before, if this one is bigger than this one, then we go the next step. Okay. Now we're gonna from the true we're gonna set score. Oh no, sorry. From the GameFuse user, and then we're gonna drag it here. Set score. Yeah, this one. Connect it to the true pin. Redirect the pins here, so make it nice and like this. But we also need our current score. So this one is the score like this. So click it everything so it's nice again. Yeah, I think it's better like this. So now we have this. But we need to do it again another time. So right now we have this. And on callback. No, not on callback, we have nothing here. Okay, we're gonna get another GameFuse user, this one. So this GameFuse user, drag it and then clear leaderboard entry. In case we already have a leaderboard, we clear it, connect it, and we give the leaderboard name Highscore this. And then on the callback, it's another again for later on we can add some stuff that we know if something is going wrong. On clear custom event on clear word this one. And after that we need to do the next step, and that is basically add the leaderboard entry. So we're gonna drag another one, add leaderboard entry, this one, we connect it to the event. Basically that's the next step in row. Drag and drop the nice lines here again. That's delete this one, add another node here, reroute node, this one. What am I doing, man? We just do it like this. We connect it to self, so it's target again. We made a high score, so here we're gonna drop our high score as well, but we also need to add the score, our current score. So we're gonna make a double click here again, and we're gonna make a reroute so it's nice, and from here we go all the way to the score, and we can now this one go like this, and that's basically it. So compile and save. Yeah, we're gonna comment this one. Add Highscore to this. So we have that as well. But they are just custom events. Nothing is happening right now. We die and everything, nothing happens. Since we are not actually calling these two functions, custom events. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add them on the death function. So as soon as we are going to die, we add the credits and we add the game high score. The credits is really simple. Later on maybe we're gonna make something like you can get more credits if you do something in return, or maybe we can make it that you can revive yourself and then the high score is not updated yet. So we're going to do first on that. So we're going to select that, the that function. It's here in the function. So if you're in event graph, click double on that, you'll get here. From the player controller set mouse cursor, we're gonna drag it out, and we're gonna do add credits. Oh no, so I forget what I called it. Add credits to GameFuse. Okay, add credits to GameFuse. Add credits to GameFuse. This one. So we did add the credits to GameFuse, and from it we're gonna add high score. I forget again how you call it. Save high score. Save high score to GameFuse like this. Compile and save. And right now, if we start playing the game, running around, and if we die, go into my main menu. And I forget something really quick. We updated everything. We added all our plugins. We updated our plugin, and we edited some things in the blueprint. So the first thing we need to do is log out and log back in. So after you're logged in again, we're gonna start the game. And now when you run, you jump and you collect coins like we see in the top left corner, and we have the high score in the top right corner. If we die now, and we go to main menu, you can see now our scores are updated. It's 30 and 8. Yeah, so we're gonna do it again. And we're gonna go past the 8 and the coins you will see later on. So we are running. Hope we don't die for nothing, so it takes longer for the video. Need to go past 8 in our high score. We are 8 now, 10. Let's make it till that barrier. Okay, main menu. And as you can see, it's now 12 and 50. But above everything, after we add the high score, we also made a leaderboard. So if we now press on leaderboard, we have a small error. I don't know why. So I really made a small mistake in here. As you can see, I wrote here a high score, but we need to edit it from leaderboard. So leaderboard, we drag it out and we promote it to a variable like this one. And we, yeah, I already put it in. So let's do it correctly and delete the second one too. So from here we promote it to a variable. You get a leaderboard name, and we give it the name high score. If you don't have this yet, compile, and then you have this option. Drag it out and put it here as well. Get leaderboard and drag it to the leaderboard name. Compile and save. After that we go to the content browser, to the GUI application, GUI leaderboard, and then the leaderboards here, that one. If you open it, you get this nice screen. Click the leaderboard name, go down, and normally there is this here, but we make it high score. So like this, compile and save. Now we go to the runner, press play. And if we have, we didn't have to press play anyway. We go to main menu, we go to leaderboard, and now you have our leaderboard entry. Later on we have more leaderboard entries. We can also be clearing that one. But that's basically it. And also, if you go to GameFuse website now, like I have now, when you log in, you have your game like this. Yeah, you have your dashboard, you log in, and for my end as runner, you have my player. Yeah, if we click that player now, you can see its score, you can see its credits. So that's basically something new again. But if you go back to the dashboard of your game, you also have leaderboards, and then you can see basically the leaderboard. So you can see all your players here with the scores. And later on, if you have more leaderboards, like the one with the most credits or something like that, then you can make one more. But that's basically it for today's video. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna edit our gameplay GUI. So when we are in game, we also have the proper score. So we go to 0 game, content 0 game, and then to let's say, where was it? Blueprints, GUI, and then the play game, this one. And what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna delete those two variables. So we have this text block. We click text, this is the coins one. Yes, and we go click is variable, and the same one for this one here. The high score text is a variable as well. We go to the event graph, this one, and we're gonna delete those two functions here. So click on it and press delete. Oh, not like this, sorry. High score text delete, and that one delete. Those two are variables we just created, so that's not that's stupid that we should delete it. So we have those two. And yeah, let's go to the event tick, this one here, and we're gonna get the game mode, this one, and from it cast to VP_runner game mode. This one. Connect it. And we're gonna do a sequence from here. Sequence. We want both the credits and our high score to be updated during our gameplay. So yeah, let's do the den 0 first. So as soon as we are on den 0, we drag it all the way here, and we're gonna do set text. I think it's this one. Yes, and the tooltip will be coins. So coins text, we get it here, get, and we connect it to the shelf. We want the coin text to be edited. Reroute this so it's nicer. So. And we wanna go from tooltip text. We're gonna do format text, this one. Oh, I think I did the wrong one. Instead of tooltip text, we're gonna do set text. This one. Yes, this one it is. Connect this one and then this one here in text. And here in the format, we want bracket, this one, and then coins, and then close it, and then the plus icon. And then session coins, like so. Make sure it's exactly like this. Basically what we are gonna do is showing that we both have coins and session coins. Coins are the coins saved in total on our GameFuse, and the session coins are the actual coins we are collecting right now. Okay, we have that. We're gonna call for GameFuse. That do we do here. GameFuse user, this one. And from here we wanna get credits. This one. And the get credits is basically the coins. So the coins we have right now. Or yes. And the second one is our coins we have right now. Those coins are stored in our game mode. So from game mode, as runner game mode, drag it out, and then get coins. One. We drag it up so it's nicer and cleaner. These are our actual session coins. So, oh come on, we drag it here to session coins. That's basically our first part. Now we're gonna do a little bit harder one, since when you have the high score and when you reach a high score, the new high score is basically updated all the way, all the time. So we're gonna edit that one as well. So from then 1, we're gonna make a branch. Like this. And we're gonna get the GameFuse user, we have it here. And we're gonna drag it down. And we're gonna ask for get score. This one. Gonna drag this more like here. And we're gonna make how do you say it? Less than this one, but we need to connect it with the second one. And then from the GameFuse here, from the cache to run the game mode, we're gonna get current points like this, and we connect that one to the top one, and that's our condition. So basically what we're gonna make is that as long as our current points are lower than the score, than our current high score, you just see them topping up. But as soon as the current points are higher than the high score, both of them are calculating or counting up, I have to say. So from true, we're gonna set the text again. We're gonna do it differently. High score text, drag it here. Or score text, get. And then from it, set text. Like this. drag it more here. We're gonna use it more than once. Connect it to true. Yes, and then from here format text again. And here we're gonna make bracket current point bracket, and then space, and then the colon here, and then we make Highscore, and we close it, and then click. You see now we have two of them. So our current points for the first one is our current points. So this one here. Drag it like this, so we have more. Yeah, this is better. Now I want this and this to be. Yeah. Okay, our high score actually is going to be our score here. So this one will be connected here. Make a reroute so it's you to understand this, and that's in the true part of this part. So yeah, we are gonna do the same thing now again. Set high score text, we drag and drop it. Set text, this one, and we connect it to the false pin. Make a reroute so it's easier to understand what's actually happening. And I don't know, yeah, we can do it better like this. And now we are gonna basically get here format text again, or we can just copy this one. Copy and then paste, connect it. Okay. And now we are actually going both for the current points and the high score for the same thing. So current points and our high score are the same thing. The only down part of it is it's actually only working if you die. So if the player closes the game, the high score will not be saved. So we're gonna compile and oh wait, what high score text? Why is it? Oh, it's searching for the bindings, of course. We go to designer, we click here, this one, text block, and then we go to the binding, remove binding, and we do the same for the other text block. And now we're gonna compile and save. We're gonna go to the content browser, to our content folder, GUI application, levels, and our basically menu level. We're gonna press play, start the game, and right now it's calculating our current score and our new coins. In the left corner you see our new old coins, the one we already have in our credits, and the second one of it is our session coins, so the ones we are collecting now. And on the right side you see our right now both high score and current score. So if I die now and do restart, you see our current score is 1, but it's counting up, and as soon as we hit 20 it's basically counting both of them. Watch this real quick. Duck, duck, duck. Okay, and our coins are also still collecting, so that's a good thing. Now it's 21. You see now both of them are counting up, and that's a good thing. So right now we have 25, 26. When we go main menu now, and we go to the leaderboard, you see our current leaderboard is 26. So that was basically it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Next video will be adding our first custom character, and maybe I will also make a start on the shop and making a second character, but we will I will let you know that later on. For now, thanks for watching. Join my Discord, check my Patreon, and yeah, feel free to leave us a reaction, a reply, or anything. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Thanks for watching again, and see you guys in the next video.